In more news from the courts, today's last-minute attempt by the prosecution in the One Don Gang trial to pin an additional charge on one of the accused in the matter was rejected by Chief Justice Brian Sykes. The Chief Justice ruled on the basis that the application would cause severe injustice to Dwayne Salmon. We have the details from Raquel Porter.
The prosecution was seeking to add the count of knowingly providing a benefit to a criminal organization between January 2017 and June 2019, having reviewed the main witness evidence and the indictment. But in refusing the application, Justice Sykes chided the prosecution, saying the trial is not an inquiry at large. He stressed that criminal trials are specific and precise. Justice Sykes said Mr. Salmon was before the court on a specific charge, and that's what he was defending during the course of the trial. Mr. Salmon, who a former Don-turned-state witness said was the gang's gunsmith, was initially charged with being part of a criminal organization and illegal possession of firearm. Last week, the prosecution dropped the gun charge against him. He was free today following a no-case submission by his attorney, Kemar Robinson.
The essence of the no-case submission was that he could not have been a member based solely on the fact, if it is to be accepted, that he fixed firearm for the members of the gang. What the Crown sought to do upon the no-case submission being made was to amend the indictment. I think at that point in time they conceded that based on the evidence he would not have been a member of the criminal organization, but rather he would be providing a benefit to the criminal organization. So they sought to amend the indictment, but as you would have seen, the application was rejected by the Chief Justice.
In the meantime, defense attorneys representing 24 of the remaining 28 defendants have completed their no-case submissions. The prosecution is to continue responding to no-case submissions tomorrow. Raquel Porter, TVJ News.